My name is Colton Carson. I'm 33 years old and I'm here in Salt Lake City for Dropship Breakthru Live. So yeah, what really got me to join was last October when I got into Spotify and I just typed in dropshipping. And I just listened to their podcast to and from work, and then I just saw what they were offering for the course for the Black Friday, and it just hit me like I needed to do something. Ben and John's support has been awesome. When I first got into the Slack group, when I saw that they actually responded to me, I just thought that was so cool. Maybe I have become jaded with what I've seen of other courses out there where like people just want you to join and then that's it. They just want your money and then they just cut you off. But with them, I feel like they really care. I mean, I feel like that's super cool, especially from someone who's been doing it this long and is still helping people answer questions daily like that. I think it's really awesome. Their support, I think, has been super awesome. The live event, it's been fun, exciting, and also kind of scary for me. I mean, I've only had like a couple sales on my store. So I feel like I don't belong, but at the same time, getting to hear what these people are talking about, I'm very excited to hear what they have to say and just learn. I think the most valuable part is like just having something that I've built. In your standard, I guess, 9-to-5 job, you're kind of just told what to do. You follow what your manager says to do. So you don't have a lot of control. With this, I mean, I almost have full control.